Welcome guys to my new video. A lot of people requested for this video. Now is finally out. Check this out. This phone is only showing charging light. It's not turning on. It's not even showing charging. It's not even adding percent. Battery technician, apart from the charging light, no other thing in this phone is working. Battery technician, today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process on how you can fix this. Without time wasted, let me start the video. Battery technician, welcome back. My name is Big Felix. This is Big Felix mobile phone repair. Stay tuned. Battery technician, one of my customers brought this phone to me and told me that this phone is not turning on. This phone is not showing charging. This phone is only showing charging light when you plug charger. Check this out. Check this out. I want you guys to see the proof. Check this out. The phone is only showing charging light. It's not doing any other thing apart from showing the charging light. Today's video, I will show you step by step on how you can be able to fix this issue. Battery technician, I'm going to take my time to troubleshoot. I know a lot of us technicians who don't know how to troubleshoot. So I'm going to take my time to troubleshoot. Make sure you watch this video, don't skip, so that you will learn how to troubleshoot and finally fix the issue. Battery technician, check this out. This is the phone PCB. Check this out, you can see. Check this out. According to my customer, he told me that they have already worked on the phone trying to fix the issue, but all proof abortive. They could not be able to know the exactly problem, the exactly causes, and how to fix the issue. Battery technician, according to my customer, he told me that they think it is screen and they change the screen, it's not still working. They try all means to make sure that the phone works, but all proof abortive. The next thing is for me to use my DC power supply to test the PCB. You all know that my DC power supply works like magic. I will use it now to test this phone and you guys will see the problem of this phone live proof. Battery technician, please make sure you don't skip this video so that you learn a lot. Battery technician, you can see I'm trying to fix things in order, so please wait, okay? Now, on my DC power supply, you can see 4.2 volt, so that is the volt I set. For the arms, I use 2 arms, okay? So I want to connect the negative now to the phone PCB. Check this out, I'm holding the positive. Check this out, first of all, I want to check if there's any short circuit, okay? Very important. Check this out, I check there's no short circuit, you can see. Voltage flows in. There is no short circuit. There is no short circuit. You can see there is no short circuit. Battery technician, the next thing is for me to go deeply and check. Check this out. So let me fix the PCB to the board, to the phone panel. Let me fix it, then check if there is output voltage, okay? And check if there is output voltage in the battery connector. Let me do that now. Want to be sure there's output voltage. Check this out. This is my multimeter. I will set it to 20 volts. I want to check and be sure there is 4.2 volts. I mean there is output that goes into the battery. I will plug charger first. Check this out. Let me plug charger. Now let me test. Check this out. Check this out. Battery technician, to face this type of issue is very simple. You don't need to stress yourself. Check this out. Let me test it for you guys to see live proof. You can see we don't have voltage here. Can see we don't have voltage here. Can see 0. We don't have voltage here. Battery technician, I check if the charging light is still showing. You can see it's still showing. I connect battery. I try turning on the phone. Battery technician is not turning on. Check this out, it's not turning on. Check this out. Battery technician, since it's not turning on, the next thing is for me to get the heat sink removed. So let me remove the heat sink now. Out. So the heat sink is removed. You can see the heat sink is removed perfectly. No issue, no damage. So this particular area of the heatsink that I just removed is for network. You can see you have network IC and other IC. So let me get this one removed too. Now get all the heatsink removed. I want to check deeply and know the fault and know the reason. Check this out, I'll be done by the technician. Very nice. Check this out, very nice. Now you have exposed everything. You have exposed the IC and the capacitor. Now it's open. Let's troubleshoot and fix the issue. Okay? Let's troubleshoot and fix the issue. Check this out. I'll be done. I'll be done. I will be done. I did technician. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. I clean it very well. I'm checking if there's any physical damage. Check it very well. Let me remove from the PCB stand and check it very well. Can see, I check if there's any physical damage. Check it very well if there's any physical damage. Check this out. There's no physical damage, as you can see. So the next thing is for me to connect a DC power supply again. Want to test something. It's important. So let me connect it again. Check this out. I'll be done. If you have any question concerning this, you're free. You can let me know. You are free if you have any question concerning this. Just let me know, tell me something in the comment section, okay? I did technician, tell me something in the comment section. Check this out, I take my time to check for physical damage. The next thing is for me to start testing capacitors. I take my time to do this. I check capacitors. I check diode. I check any component around it to be sure everything is reading perfect, is reading good, because I don't want any issue. I want this phone to start up. I check very well. After that, nothing's wrong. The next thing is for me to get this heatsink removed. This is where the charging IC is and the backlight driver, so I'll get this heatsink removed. First thing, I get this paste removed, so that I'll be able to do the work perfectly without any issue. And the technician, if you have any question, you're free to let me know if you have any question at all. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out, this is troubleshooting. This is what we call troubleshooting. You take your time to find out the problem, to figure out, to know where the problem is coming from. Whether it's this or that is from, charging ICs from this or that, okay? So, please wait. Okay? Just remove the heatsink now. Check this out, I will be done. I'll be done. I check for physical damage. There's no physical damage, my dear technician. Everything here is clean.